Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here, and I have got a little project that I'm going to do. I'm going to share with you. I have to put numbers on my Corvette there for timing and scoring. The numbers are a certain specification, and that's so that the people in the timing and scoring trailer can tell what car's out on course and so on and so forth. Anyway, long story short, Corvette is not made out of steel, so you have to use either static cling material or you have to use something that sticks on to the body panels. And I don't like sticky residue, having to clean it on, clean it off every time I use numbers. So I use static cling. Problem with static cling is it doesn't cling that good. We're talking about going higher speeds, and in particular, if you put the numbers on before the event and then you drive on the freeway, you're looking at maybe 80 plus miles an hour. And unfortunately, the numbers will blow off, even if you back it up with some extra little pieces of tape around the edges, which I do. Still, every once in a while, it'll blow off. So I've been using these really nice numbers. I got from a company called Squire Design, and problem is these are like $10 a piece, and they look great and all, but that's like a $10 bill flying off on the freeway when I lose one. They have a plainer design, which is probably about $6 a piece. But anyway, looking for another source of numbering for the car, and this company, Pegasus Auto Racing Supply, does have numbers. They don't have numbers that are actually mounted on static cling material. These are numbers, these are the ones from Pegasus, and they're sticky. So Froggy said to himself, well, I can make one that's static cling. I bought this static cling vinyl off of Amazon for like $1 a piece. You get a package of, well, it says it right there, 6. And I am going to take this number and stick it on this sheet of vinyl so it ends up being like one of those. All right, see, that's the static cling has a piece of storage paper, very shiny, not shiny like a shiny paint on a car, and that's where you store the numbers. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But also, I wanted to tell you a little story. The first number 9s that I got were these, and I went by a illustration that was on their website, and then when I actually got the real thing in my hand, it didn't really look like a 9 very much. I was a little worried about these swirly things. So they were nice enough to say, okay, we understand, and they sent me these number 9s, which actually look like a number 9. So I want to say thank you very much to them. They are great customer support people. They have great racing products. Go and check them out. Okay? So let's do this project. And by the way, they do sell a few items on Amazon, so I'll put a couple of links there for you. And if you want to go to Amazon, save the shipping if you have Prime, and you know how that works. Or you can go directly to them. All right, good people. Now this static cling material that I bought separate feels a little bit thicker than what this company uses for theirs. Not all static cling material is the same. So maybe this will stick a little better. I'm not sure. I'm still going to put little extra pieces of clear tape around it when I put it on there just to back up the static cling. So I made myself a little clean board here to use, and pulled out one of these sheets. Now, I don't know if I can do 2 on here. if that would be a good thing or not. It looks like I might be able to put 2 on one piece. Yeah, that'll work. So what I'm going to do now is go to the instructions of how to apply this. The instructions are how to apply this onto the paint of a car, but I'm going to use my judgment and apply it onto this static cling material. Alright, I need 2 hands. Well, in a nutshell, it says make sure the surface is clean, temperature is not too hot, not too cold. And they say to put a weak solution of soapy water on. I guess that's to allow any bubbles to escape. So I think I will do that. I'll put a little soapy water solution onto the vinyl and then fit the numbers on there. What you have to do is peel off this white part, and that exposes this back-sided sticky red, and then you peel off this front part, and then you're done. So let's try that. Okay, so I peeled that backing paper off, sprayed both sides so I could move it a little bit on the vinyl, the static cling vinyl, and then I stuck it down there. And now I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to roll them and let it sit for a while. Alright, so this is just an arts and crafts roller I'm going to use to roll it out. I don't think I'm really going to have any bubbles at all. And I'm going to get a piece of paper or microfiber towel probably to wipe off the excess. Okay, so I rolled them out good, and now we have to wait 15 to 30 minutes. So, Froggy's going to take a little lunch break, and I will be back. Alright, so let's pull these off and see how it came out. I might need to use 2 hands. Yeah, sorry, I need to use 2 hands. Well, that came out pretty nice, perfectly stuck down. Oh, well, maybe there's a couple of little bubbles on that one, not too much on the other one. Let's trim this in half and stick them on the car, see how they look. Well, there you go, that's how it came out. Not bad. You know, obviously it's the Cam S is fancier because it's got shadow, silver shadow, which, you know, to the credit of Squire Design, it's really very nice, but expensive. And the number 9 with static cling, which I made with the number from Pegasus. Thank you again, Pegasus. And so what did I accomplish with all this? Well, the next time the number 9 blows off, I only lost $5 instead of $10, basically. Actually, probably $11 or $12 when you count the shipping, and $5 includes the shipping on the cost of that one, and, you know, a few pennies for the static cling. So maybe I can come up with some kind of shadow stuff to add. If I can get some of that vinyl sticky material that's silver color, maybe I could hand craft a little shadow on there. What do you think? Should I try and do that? Maybe for another project. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Do this all for you guys and gals just to show you how to save a few bucks. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.